Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a Kia Optima here that we're going to discuss how you would replace your air filter. So to get your air filter, it's right here. It even tells you it's the air filter, but to replace your air filter is just pull out, pull this tab up, then you're going to just go ahead and pull this out. See that dirty thing? Then we've got a new one to put in. Here's our new air filter. And then see that big tab that was on the back? We're just going to make sure that that tab goes down, and we just slide this in. It's like that. That's the air filters put back in. And then you just, these little teeth here, just kind of line them up on the top there and snap it back down. And that's how you replace your air filter on your 2016 Kia Optima. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.